breakfast. It's already 7:58 a.m. I'll see you in the buffet. So guys, makain na naman ako ng kanin. Guys, sunod-sunod na ako nag-heavy breakfast, heavy dinner. Ngayon, heavy ulit. Ang takaw ko recently. Pag nasa Azalea ako, lagi akong matakaw. Dahil kay Kuya. Rice, sausage, egg, vegetables, hot chocolate. We just finished breakfast. We're going to the Spider House in a while. I think that's the only thing in the itinerary. And we're gonna be staying here in the hotel. Now I'm currently in my room. I'm just resting for a while. I'm going to freshen up in a bit. This is my veranda. So if you're reading my blog, I blogged about Azalea Baguio before and how comfortable I am in the place. Now I'm in Azalea Boracay. And as usual, the bed is eating me alive. I just feel very comfortable in their beds. I don't know why. It's so soft. I can literally sleep all day. Literally sleep all day. Time check, it's already 9:34 and I have to fix myself because we're leaving by 10 p.m. 10 a.m. Sorry, p.m. talaga. Pokemon party!
It's Salam. We braid your hair with our senior stylist, Earth the Earthling. Gorgeous!
Ano naman si David Salam? So guys, change of plans. First, we're going to the Iligan Beach, which is the secret beach here in Boracay. So this is the first thing that's going to happen in the itinerary. So ngayon, dito muna kami magsistay for photo op. I'm with Macpol. Macpol.
How do you spell that? Wow,
M-A-C.
MC kasi. It's McPaul.
McPaul.
Like the
Because
McDonald's.
when you're a foreigner, you say McPaul, not Macpol.
Yeah, we're from West London and like it's freaking hot here. Londonian ba? Londonian.
This trip, ako si Kendall.
Dapat pala ano
Siya si Kylie. Hi guys. And this is Chloe.
The biggest sister. Chloe naman ako.
Chloe daw siya.
The biggest sister.
O, sino si Courtney?
Ano si Kim?
Si Kim. Si Kim. Ayoko umitim. Kasi hindi ako
Ano ka ba? Kaya ka may flawless eh. Parang gandang Judy Santa Maria. Judy Santa Maria.
Judy. Party people. I'm with Macpol.
It's Tibog time.
I love Boko. So ngayon, nandito lang kami sa lilim kasi takot kami sa araw. Ang init kasi, hindi ako naka-bikini. So yung tan lines ko, syempre, hindi siya pantay-pantay. Naka-one piece ako. Yun talaga yung concern ko, guys.
Oh my God!
Guys, kailangan pa to.
Alam me, girl!
So, we're now currently on our way to the Spider House to eat lunch. Ba kayo, Melo?
Yep.
Tapos, pwede din kami mag-swimming doon. May, ano ba doon? Cliff?
Yeah.
Yes! views. Guys, scared na I might fall down kasi lamon time with this my favorite couple. Really happy, follow them. Follow them, they're my favorite couple. Goals yan, goals. Ang galaw. Ganito ako lagi. Ako talagang pinamataho sa squad. Ang anghang. This movie is The Bomb. TheBomb.com. It's Choco Banana. The best. Natapos na ang aming lunch. We're now heading back to our hotel and we're gonna chill there for a while and maybe swim before we go partying tonight. Ang taba ng gulong.
Ano kuya? Para sa may motor to? Sabi ko diba? Electric.
Oo, electric yung bike.
Meron lang yung mga ito yung
So technically hindi siya bike. Motor siya. Hindi talaga siya.
Motorcycle.
Motor siya. Motorbike.
Motorbike.
But more of bike. They got lesser. But we're taking photos. We're also taking photos for the vlog. Every time we go out, we always make sure we have our work done and at the same time have fun. So work and leisure at the same time for us vloggers / vloggers. Time with my speakers. I always bring them everywhere. You know, good music is always the most important thing in life. So, 5:24, 5:25 na. Tapos kami yung una na naman. Alam mo na, bata pa talaga may award kami. Lagi kami on time. Early birds.
Yes.
So, earlier we were able to swim. Sinulit ko masyado yung oras. Kaka-swimming. Ngayon, we're heading to dinner. Dito ba tayo magdi-dinner?
Early dinner somewhere out there.
And we're going to have early dinner somewhere out there. We don't know yet. And after that, we're going to party. Pop-up crawl, to be exact.
Yes.
Pero syempre guys, mabait ako, hindi ako inom.
Yes, maaga flight niya. So, kailangan niya magising ng maaga.
Oo nga, 7 AM tomorrow, I'm gonna leave. Hindi ako makakasama sa Ariel's Point, though. Hindi ako makakapag-live time. Kung ano pa yung gusto ko, guys.
At least more reason to come back, diba?
More reasons to come back. Grabe. Local na ako sa Bora. So we're going to have dinner in the roof deck. Lamunan. Lamon, buddy.
Lamon time!
Later, we're going to pop roll. Tapos mag-party na kami. But before that, we have to eat. Look, my favorite. Favorite! Dessert!
Depends kung sino kasama ko eh.
Look, there's calamansi. Do I put this?
Hindi, wag dyan sa mata.
Hoy, ala.
Favorite ka talaga ni Mel.
Oh, favorite niya talaga ako. Ayaw niya lang sabihin.
Ayan, volleyball club. Ano siya?
National team.
National team pala. Alam mo, varsity team. Varsity, diba? Pang-Olympics
Mo.
ka.
Wait lang, di siya leche flan with calamansi.
Kasama kayo baka
Dream feeling.
Hindi nyo mahirap mag...
Really good.
Ibagsak yung perelas mo! Perelas mo yung gusto ni ano?
Wait, pag-ibagin to, be.
Anong to uniform, guys? Best. Chino, pakita mo muna yung, ano mo, yung side boobs.
Pak! Oh, ano kaganda may ano dito eh.
Yan.
Cherry Bumblebee.
Dapat picture din. Picture tayo ulit.
Ito yung costume natin talaga para sa pub crawl. Lumala, yellow na yellow.
May headband pa.
Wala tayong sinayang na tela. Ano ko itong headwear ko?
Bigyan mo mascara na.
Picture tayo.
Hindi dyan tayo.
Oh, guys.
Not everybody make friends and have fun at the end of the night. Okay, so just please don't make my job so hard for me. Because my boss gonna fire me tomorrow and I love this job. So I don't wanna listen again. Every time that I got in stock, we have to listen. Ito yung shooter stub niya, no? So the first one is either yellow, green, whatever. So the third one, number 1 in front. Pakita nyo lang sa kanila, sila magbibigay sa inyo ng una yung shots.
At Dwayne Big.
Sa akin, M-A-Y-E lang.
Ako pretty girl lang.
You pretty girl. Passionate. JJ.
Umpisa pa lang, kagulo na, guys. Kagulo nito.
Hi, welcome to my party.
It's her birthday. MJ, by the way. Close kami, tayo.
Friends kami,
friends
super
kami.
friends kami. Sabay
Super.
kami nagpatuli dati. Successful lang operation na ito. Kilala kita.
Grabe to.
Successful lang operation. Lahat ng foreigner na nagbabasa ng name ko, it's Paul. Not
Paul. It's not Paul. It's Paul.
Baka
May accent, Filipino accent. Paul.
Gigil.
I'm using my phone right now because my camera's already dead. Okay, wait lang. So yung rule, pakisabi, Dwayne. What's the rule here?
like
Three?
three individuals with something interesting about them.
Yeah. I met new friends. First is Aika. This is for my vlog. Wow! Leo. Sav. Easiest to memorize.
So together, we're gonna be your captains for tonight. So that means when one of us is talking, you have to listen or else. Saka 30-70.
Andelem, nasan tayo?
So hashtag alilakad, hashtag hiking.
Hiking pala, bes. To acquaint us with someone we don't know. So meet my new friend.
Hello.
What's your name? Callum.
My name's Callum.
Sa kasalukuyan, naglalakad na naman kami papunta sa next bar. So, fourth na namin. Pagod na pagod.
Kaya pa, kaya pa.
Pagod, pero hindi pa pala. Ako.
Kaya pa.
Kayang-kaya pa. Yeah! Kaya pa! Balik na naman sa Epic. Galit na siya sa akin. Hindi daw ako napapagod.
Iba ang meaning niya ng pagod.
Kulang na ako ng Enervon. Wala na siyang Enervon, inubos ko na! Pauwi na kami. Sobrang pagod ko na, bes.
Pagod na rin ako.
Joke lang, hindi pa ako pagod, pero...
Parang hindi naman, friend.
Hindi pa ako pagod, pero kailangan ko na umuwi kasi may flight ako, boss. Grabe sila, pinupuli ako lagi. Bakit tayo nandito? Kailangan gusto ko ng ice cream.
Ito ng Digital Spy. Follow him at digitalspy.com.
So, I'm back home. Ano nangyari, bes? Sobrang napagod lang ako, pero may remembrance naman ako from that. This shirt and my shot glass. Sobrang pagod ko na mag-iimpake pa ako, ang kalat pa ng room. Totoong pagod na ako, Hami. Alam ko, naririnig ko ako. It's already 12. Ilang hours na lang. Naalis na ako, mga 5 a.m. Masyadong maaga para sa akin. It's 5 a.m. And I'm leaving. I'm leaving the place already. Goodbye, Azalea. So, it's almost 6 and I'm leaving Boracay. Goodbye, Boracay. Goodbye, Kuya. Mamimiss ko yung Azalea. Azalea Kuyas.